These are the top 5 most terrifying sounds extinct animals used to make. The last one might make you pee your pant. Comment which one you think is the scariest. But first, you will have incredible luck if you like and subscribe to my channel until this video ends. First is Spinosaurus. This sound alone makes me nervous. Next is Tyrannosaurus. That sound is terrifying. Next is Quetzalcoatlus. Just imagine hearing this right above you. Next is Velociraptor. This one is straight up nightmare fuel. And finally, Carcharodontosaurus.